Hey there, welcome to this exciting video about the best programming languages for beginners. If you are just starting out on your coding journey, you might be wondering which programming language is best for me. Don't worry, we got you covered. Let's deep dive right in. Number 1, Python. Python is a great programming language for beginners. It has a simple syntax and it is easy to read and write. Python is used for a variety of tasks, including web development, data analysis, and AI, which is nothing but artificial intelligence. So, if you want to explore AI and machine learning, Python is a great option for you. Number 2, Java. Java is another popular language for beginners. It is used for developing mobile applications, web applications, and desktop applications. Java is also widely used in the field of big data and machine learning. So if you are interested in handling with data and managing data and playing with data, you can explore Java, which has a lot of packages and you can deep dive in it because it is a beginner friendly language. Number 3, JavaScript. It is one of my favorite language and it is one of the favorite language of every developer. JavaScript is a programming language used for developing interactive web pages and applications. It's often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS to create dynamic and engaging user interfaces. Majorly web development related work is done with the help of JavaScript. Number 4, Ruby. Ruby is a beginner friendly programming language that often used for web development. It has a simple and elegant syntax and it is known for its reliability and ease of use. It's a very latest language and people might not aware about that, but it is a very good language for beginners if you want to try out. Number 5, Swift. Swift is a programming language which was developed by Apple and is used for developing iOS and Mac OS applications. It is easy to learn and a modern syntax that's designed to be beginner friendly. Number 6 is my favorite language, which is C++. C++ is very popular language which is used for developing desktop applications, video games and system software. While it can be more challenging to learn some other languages, it's a valuable skill to have for many careers in the tech industry. Now you can see that C++ is degrading, like people are generally focusing more on Java and Python, but I can assure you that if you are learning C++, it will be a lot of benefit to you because it is a basic language and all other languages are linked with C++. So in conclusion, I just want to add that these are some of the best programming languages for beginners to start their coding journey. Whether you are interested in web development, data analysis or mobile app development, there is a language out there which are perfect for you. So what are you waiting for? Start learning today and unblock a whole new world of possibilities. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hi friends, this is Hitesh Mewara, and if you are watching this video till this point of time, then I want to tell you that if you learned something from this video, then kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and till then wait for the next video.